Alright, so just a little video update. I've got the window all back together, polished it up. I've got the new glazing in everywhere. Unlike before, I let the seam be right here in the top of the window rather than the bottom. It was a little bit of a challenge, but nothing undoable. My secret weapon for glazing and getting it in place is WD-40. I don't mess around with soap and water. I've had so much better luck using WD-40 to put in the big boler windows front and back, so I decided to try it on this little rubber glazing. The only other thing I did have to help was this little rubber mallet to just lightly tap things together when I needed to move the glass, but everything worked out great. It was awesome. The last little bit with the glazing, what I had to do is anywhere where it wasn't seated nice is I just took like a little wooden block and I just gave it a little wiggle and a push, and the WD-40 helped that slide right in. What I've learned in the past is, yeah, it will stay a little lubey from the WD-40, but it does evaporate and go away. That is one of the less desirable properties of WD-40 when you're thinking about lubricating fasteners and stuff, but it is good for slipping in this rubber gasket. So overall, I'm pretty pleased with this now. I will do one more video when I do the other window of actually assembling this. I just had to do a dry run first to see if I could make it happen.